everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have something very important for you. I am going to list out what you need for you to apply for a contract in the web novels or the ghostwriting sites that I listed in my previous videos. Before I start, my name is Okeke Chizoba. I am a teacher and an edupreneur. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're seeing my face for the first time, or if you're hearing my voice for the first time, you are welcome to this wonderful family. Do well to subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification so that you're not going to miss any of my wonderful videos. And also, I want you to listen very well till the end of this video. The first thing you need to know is that any platform that you are working with or you want to work with, you must have an account with them. You must register with them. You can do it by yourself. You can also do it through a co-editor or an assistant editor. You can do it direct. You can use a co-editor link to register. In the process of registering, you need a USD account, a valid USD account, and also a valid ID card. Nigerian, you can use voters card, NIN, international passport. NIN is some platform. Voters card and international passports is like almost all the platforms. The second thing you need is a very beautiful book cover. A book cover that it doesn't have any copyright. It must be unique and very beautiful. And I'm not going to be going into details now. We are going to be taking these things that I'm talking about one after the other. So that's why I'm advising you, if you're still having double mind, to subscribe to my channel. I urge you to subscribe to my channel because I am going to give you the best on how to secure a contract in all these platforms. Okay, the third one is proper outline. Okay, a proper outline, it consists of the title, the genre, the trope, the theme, the setting, characterization, then the plot, which includes the exposition, inciting incident, rising action, climax, and denouement. The next thing is your blurb, synopsis, or description. They mean the same thing depending on the platform that you are making use of. Okay, then another thing you need is your 5,000 words or your 10,000 words. In some platform it is 5,000, while in some platform it is 10,000. And another thing I just want you to know is that your 5,000 words or your 10,000 words in some platform is very good for you to keep your chapters. Like chapter 1, keep it at 1.3 to 1.5 words. Okay, that is 1,300 words to 1,500 words. And I don't want to talk too much in this video. I just want you to know that these are the things you need, the very important ones you need for you to get started in applying for a contract. Other small ones, you can be able to fix it yourself. Subscribe to my channel because I am going to give you in details all the things that I listed. For example, I'm going to teach you how to do a very beautiful book cover and many more. So the bonus I have for you that has watched till the end of the video is that if you want to hire a writer, you don't know how to write, you are a new writer, or you are a writer but you want more hands and you don't know how to go about it, I urge you to watch videos on how to post a job on LinkedIn. It's going to help you better. Go and look for how to post a job in LinkedIn, then create your own job and you see people rushing to you. Okay, In my next video, I am going to go in details. Until then, see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed, you are missing a lot. Bye bye.